Hello, hello. It be me. It's nice to see that Restream is about as slow as me today. Goodness. I said that I'll be there soon, everyone. It took Restream about 10 seconds to send it to Twitch and about another 20 to send it to YouTube. So everything is just kind of a bit slow today. Fun times. Yeah, this stream in particular is a bit of a different one. I don't really have a plan, to be completely honest with you. I didn't feel like doing game dev because I haven't done the stuff I need to do off camera. I don't feel like doing data analysis. The twitch.py library isn't ready for a stream. So, and yeah, I didn't come up with any other ideas. So here we are on just a chatting and coding stream. And I'm probably going to do some coding. We'll see. The only reason I'm streaming today is because this is my 7th stream in 30 days. And as such, I now have the requirements for affiliate. So that's a bigger. Yeah, I was thinking that earlier. I was thinking I should have left the mod mail thing for this. I could probably go and talk about it. I don't know. I might show. Alright, actually switched to the right scene this time. Hey, look at me. Hey, I should probably welcome people to the stream actually. Welcome Book, Cider, Aurorus, Max, Emily, and whoever's in the YouTube. Let me have a quick look. Aduka and Fourth FRV. Thank you all for being at the stream. There's millions of desktops here. If I go down here, I suppose what I'll do to start off is I'll go through the mod mail stuff. Welcome Butterdurg to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. I'll go through the mod mail and talk about it. And then if people want me to do anything, then I'll do it. Feel free to ask me anything. It's gonna be I guess a light 2K celebration in a sense. Oh, someone starred it. How thoughtful of them. What was that? Cyber 8440. Fair enough. Yeah, so really it kind of works the same as most other bots. Thanks, Crazy. But I might as well try and show the new directory structure that me and Max have in mind for Carberra, because this uses a relatively similar one. So you have your init here. This one is quite a simple init. And you have the main, but you have this config as well, which works as basically just like this huge config getter. This was all Mac, so I didn't do any of that. Not on the tutorials channel. Plus, I look like crap at the moment, so I'd rather not. And I haven't fixed the Elgato yet, so just all of the things. Then you got the utils in here, cron string. These are probably familiar. Then you have it here, so you have the bot, which is mostly the same. It just does some interesting things. So this is something I used recently. This isn't really useful. I just put this in as a flex, really. Databases for Discords. I have a video on it. If you look up episode number 4 of the Discord.py series, then that'll teach you how to make a simple database. And that, which would be fine for any bot up to maybe about 2,000 or 3,000 servers. I would probably assume, well, depending on the size of the server, obviously, but yeah. But this basically means that if you, let me try and get Sublime up, and I hope there's nothing personal on there. No, there isn't. Good. To say if you had like a class of test, oh god, can I learning C worth it or C++? I don't know really. Is there anything you want to do with it? So if you have, say, I don't know, number equals 5, and if you have def call here, and then we do like self, or we could do like print hello world, and then we have a t equals test, and then if you do t, then this function here will actually print hello world to the console. So can I see if I can quickly show that one off? Control B, yeah. Python command not found. Hello. All right, let's run that in the terminal real quick. So cd data, I think it was just here. Python 3 untitled.py. See? So we're calling the object, and it's actually like printing another thing. Crazy. Learn Rust stream. I could do that. I think because I don't really want to learn it on stream. I feel as though that would just be really distracting. I don't know. You speak other languages? No, I've always been terrible at other languages. I did French for 8 years, and I could say like 2 sentences. It's kind of bad. That's a search thing. This is a little note that I still have. I can probably actually remove this from the project now, can't I? This is a little note I have for intros and outros and stuff. That I still have just in case I need it. I really should. Yeah, the worst thing is that this mod mail took about 3 hours to do. So I very much could have done it on stream. Mind you, I couldn't have done it on today's stream because I've only got like 1.5 or 2. Yeah, it's going to be a short one as well. The bot! I didn't start the bot! Oh, goodness. I'm a good streamer. I totally deserve affiliate. Carberra tutorials, Twitch bots, VA, Python-M, no, turtle. Why? Why did I even try that? It's Carberra. Autocomplete? Okay, that was weird. Autocomplete didn't want to do it then. Fair enough, Emily. So that one is, well, I think that's C sharp, but if it is C sharp, then it's wrong. Because the D in debug and the L in log should be capitalized. And also in the system.out.println, actually that's not C sharp. I don't know, maybe that one's okay. The debug.log one is C sharp Unity. Right. Yeah, I really don't know what to do, honestly. Oh, the thing double pinged. Get rid of that. That's kind of annoying, that double ping, but whatever. For Java, okay. I've never done Java. Well, I dabbled in it, like, very briefly. But I gave up very quickly because I didn't really fancy it. And any other, like, features that a mod mail bot could use? Like, what could it use? Like, it could potentially have like a channel that's created for mod mail cases, but I don't know if that's like too extreme. I'm thinking about this and I don't know. I'm not watching a video on stream, Cider. I did that in that Discord call, but I'm not doing it on YouTube and Twitch. Oh my god. Yeah, this is gonna be a slow one. Let's see what we've got in analytics. Let's see if I could do anything in there. I have my dot file. I have made. I can't really do Maisie on stream. That's part of my dissertation. I'm not even sure. I'd probably get in trouble if I showed that on stream. Yeah, actually, that's the thing with the issue templates. Hang on, if I go to discord.py, real quick. Also love how if you search discord.py, the actual library is the third result. So, what should you eat? What have you got? I think is your video making mob melt. Yeah, I think. I can't remember what I did in that. Alright, we'll watch it then, seeing as it's my own video. I'm not gonna watch it all. I'm just kind of curious as to like what I did in the code because I don't remember. Honestly, I'm gonna be brutally honest with you. I don't remember like anything about this series at all. I don't really remember how I did anything. So, oh, this is already looking. Oh, okay, it's just hard coded into the on message. Actually, that's more or less the same as I did it in the actual bot. Oh god, look at that old logo. My goodness, look at that Pride logo. Oh, those are the days. Yeah, it's more or less the same implementation, look. Hang on, hang on. I'll show this off first. The issue template, look. They have this new thing. It's in beta at the moment. I think only some things have it. But you can have a title and you can do this. And it's basically a way to force you to use the issue templates. It's a YML format, but I don't think every project has it because I can't find it yet. So Max, if you're still here, when doing launch for Carberra, this would be a good thing to look at. See if it's around. I can't really find anything about it at all on the internet, which is really strange. Maybe I didn't look up the right thing. But yeah. That's certainly one to look at. If you're going to the mod mode, we'll like compare what we've got. You know what I could do? I could do some pillar request stuff, couldn't I? That seems reasonable. That'll give me something to do. But if I go to bot and I go to bot.py, no, it's not bot.py. No, it is bot.py. No, it's mail.py. It's the mail extension. So in terms of like how it's done, it's like pretty much exactly the same. Although this one has a cooldown. I actually changed the cooldown system, so it now just uses AP scheduler rather than a dictionary. Because I thought that was a better way of doing it. I think it's more lines of code, but I personally like prefer that way of doing it. Welcome Misha to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Long time no chat. It's good to see you here. Welcome to. I'm not sure if I've actually been to a Carberra stream before, but welcome to the channel. This is what I've been doing for like the last year and a half. Well, properly. Well, it's actually about a year. Yeah, it's pretty much exactly a year since the channel started taking off. Because it's mid-March and it was taking off around that time. So yeah, it's been a very long time. You know what? I will do some pillow stuff. I need a new tab, please. So I need CD data, programs, Carberra plans, LS. What's it called? It's called. Oh, it's called image manipulation. That's fair enough. Oops. Yeah, I've got a virtual environment. Yeah, well, hiding is perhaps the wrong word. It's kind of difficult to hide when you've got a channel with 2,000 subscribers and a Discord server with 800 people in it. But yeah, this is roughly where I've been hiding. No, you can't, unfortunately, at the moment. I'm going to see... Once I get affiliate, I'll have channel points. So I'm going to see if there's a way to like arbitrarily give people channel points. And if so, then I'll I'll let people convert their credits into channel points. Something different. What have you been doing on the Twitch? Oh my god. Holy mother. Right. There was a squad going on. They made on a squad action. I hope I didn't miss it. Yeah, I got it in. Nice. So, well, this is all this stuff. This is in Python 3.8. You know, I could probably like redo this now. Since I have the series here. RM-RF image manipulation. Channel points. Pretty much. They're like, it's like a currency, but it's sort of like the credits on a bot, but it's built into Twitch. It's only available for affiliates, so I don't have it right now. But yeah. Oh, nice, Misha. I might have to stop by if I ever get a chance. There's a chance the latency is weird because it's stream now rather than... Actually, Twitch doesn't matter, does it? Twitch doesn't care. If it was on YouTube, then maybe it'd be like the stream now thing being weird because I'm using YouTube stream now this time rather than YouTube events. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. Any others that I'm not using at the moment? I'm not using the data. I'm not using this one. I'm not using... Oh, God. I'm not using this one. I'm not using this one. I'm also not using the game dev old. And I'm pretty sure I'm not using the TwitchBot one anymore. Whoops, no, I wanted to do RM-RF on that. Kind of want to clear up my directory a bit. So now I just have the data analysis one that I am using. Yeah, just want to absolutely make sure. I'm now using the analytics one. That what is this? Oh no, this is useful. This is useless as well. Oh, interesting. I don't need the how to Python one anymore, do I? No, I don't. Okay, so I can kind of get rid of oops. And then the how to Python one. No, hang on. That's why it wasn't doing anything. Yeah, that's fair. Welcome, Jonathan GR. Second stream watching. Could be. I'm not sure. I feel like it's the third, but I don't know. You've been here at least once because I do remember you being here, so that's all that matters, I suppose. About a 5-minute delay. Okay then. Welcome, Myendra Shadow Waker to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. And oh god, to Phalibus Macnogia. I'm gonna call you Toofer if that's okay. Welcome to the stream, and also welcome Erin to the stream as well. Yeah, go for it. Jonathan, I'm probably gonna do some pillow stuff, and I'll be using your code as a base, so you can stick by to see your kind of code get built on. Oh, well, I just realised, why did I delete the image manipulation stuff? I had like some plans. Oh, balls! I'm actually a twat. Does it send it to the recycle bin? No, it doesn't. Oh, fantastic. Oh well. Whatever. You program by proof of concept. What do you mean by that? Welcome heroes to the stream. Use a time in VC and store in database on a spreadsheet. Well, you want to use an actual database rather than a spreadsheet. The user time in VC. You mean how long they spend in there? You can do it manually. I'm using the default one, whatever it's called. God knows. Does it have a name? Gnome Terminal. That one. I never bothered to configure all electricity or alacrity. Yeah, well, if you store the time they joined, and then when they leave, just like get the date time again, subtract the two, and then you have a time delta with all the information you want, and then you just convert that into an ISO stamp, and then bam, there's your code. Fair enough. You leave your coding data. Welcome back, Cider. Didn't realise you'd gone. Yeah, for those interested in my computer stats, there they are. So I guess I could do make dear. That'd be pillowcase studies, wouldn't it? Python 3.9 -mvenv.venv. VA pip install pillow. Just ignore that error. We don't need to know about it. And code dot. And then move that over here, and then we bring the series code up on the side, and then we do the thing. So the first one, what's the first one? So there's like a welcome card in there. Welcome card.py. There's a rank card.py, and then there is a how to install pop. Google it. You can find the ISO for it. All right. So let me, and then be a triggered filter is one of them as well. .py. I think we'll start with the welcome card, because that's the easiest of the three. I just want to double check the plans document to make sure that was. I know there was another one, but I sort of did it in a video already, because currently the things. Why is it still saying? Oh no, there we go. Why is it still saying the image is in progress? It's not. Right. So requests. Yeah, image cropping is another one. Oh, I never actually put the triggered filter on the document. That was weird. The thing is, I kind of did image cropping in a different video. I did it in the masks video. So I don't know if I really want to do that again. I suppose it'll be fine. So, right, let me just get this code up from a thingy. God, there you are. There's his one. If I just bring up the image real quick. His one looks a lot better than mine did. Ignore the fact it's going off the edge. It doesn't do that all the time. But his one looks a lot better than mine, than what mine looked like. So we're going to do some trying to make it look like it. No, it's not really going to be a copy paste. It's going to be there's going to be quite a lot of changes going on here. So welcome card. So we can have from pill imports image draw. Yeah, we'll probably need image filter. And image font. Probably gonna need all those. How are you making the welcome thingy? In pillow. Yeah, the blur in the circle. I'm probably not gonna do the blur in the circle, but I can show the code that Jonathan came up with. I was going to use a mix of his and mine, but then I forgot that my case study plans were in the same directory as the one I just deleted. That's kind of annoying. Mind you, I could just use it's only like the curved edges on the thing. But I could just use the same thing. No, I think I have everything I need in the series, honestly. But, alright, where's the thing? I think it's this one. I think it's this bit. So you have this blur radius, offset blur, and you have this image. I'm presuming this bit does the blur. Yeah, it kind of does like a Gaussian blur around the outside, and then it just masks on top of it. So, yeah. I mean, yeah. I'm going to be improving this. But, yeah. The logic's there. So, in terms of, so we need constants. So we need our username. We'll just use Carberra for now. No, we'll use my actual name. Screw it. And then we need the scrim equals 1911. And then, yeah. And then we're going to be just using those as placeholder values. So we're going to have, let's see, we have a if name equals main. I'm not going to be doing it like a cog situation. Maybe, I don't know. I can't be asked to attach this to a bot, I'm going to be brutally honest with you right now. Unless I just do one like real quick. No, because that's just annoying to test. No, I won't bother. I'll just have the parafoxing and the 1911. I'm not wrapping one of my tutorials, Eric. That's not happening. Thank you for the follow, Dexicus R. Do appreciate it. So we have this. So we need a with image.open, and I'm actually going to need an image, aren't I? That'll probably help. Images slash, I don't know, card. Welcome card.png as im, and I'll quickly go scratch something up for that. Probably using one of my wallpapers or something, I don't know. So image, we'll just do a new. I don't really want one that big. I just got one in here. Let me move that over here real quick. Media, pictures, my wallpapers directory, and then I don't know. I suppose I could just use this. Shrink it down a bit. Image, scale image. I don't really know what's a good size. I kind of want to do a square one. I think I'll maybe do like 500 by 500. And I hope it doesn't like skew anything. Okay, it didn't. Fantastic. Thank you. What I'm going to do is I'm probably going to just crop a bit manually because that cut was awful. This is the Acer default wallpaper that they give you. Well, at least they used to. I don't know if they do anymore. What am I doing? I'm doing the wrong thing here. 500, yeah. If we take maybe this bit. If we take, oh no, if you just take like this bit, some pattern bit. There we go. It is. I think it's an overhead view of an island. So if we get that, if we export that out to wherever our thing is. Very good point. Programs, Carberra plans, pillar case studies, images, and then we have our welcome card dot png. I'll change the file format as well. So yeah, we have that. So now what we need to do is, oh, this is the rank one. Oh, we need a profile picture as well, don't we? Let me quickly go find mine. Be media, and it'd be my pictures, and it'd be misc. It'd be this one. There we go. I'm just gonna call it. Whoops! No, I don't want to delete it. I want to call it profile. Like that. Thank you. That'll show off some cropping as well, even though we're not going to need it, because actually Discord images are all square, aren't they? Then they're never not square. Okay, fine. Okay, I'm gonna have to go. Let's just convert whatever. So yeah, we need to crop 1 by 1 around about there. Perfect. Oh no. Let's put that programs, Carberra plans, per case studies, images, profile, because Discord does the cropping for you, doesn't it? So it would already be cropped, so there's no need to actually recrop it. No, just profile is easier. Also, I can leave it JPG, why not? So we have this. So the first thing I want to do is I want to blur it. So blur im. I don't know if I really should be doing this in the case of a cog. I guess I should be really. Class. Welcome. God's sake. Alright, I'll do it in the context of an actual bot. I'll get something loaded. I'll use the welcome series, I guess then. On the music series one. So I could just throw it in down in the tutorial section, I suppose. So if I make a new folder called okay, wait, hang on. If I do this, then if I just I'm just gonna throw everything in here just so I have it, but I don't know if I'm gonna be using it. Oops, in there, please. Thank you. Create a Python program that does actions when I speak. Now I want to have a picture in OBS, and when I speak, I want to change the picture. How do I do that? God knows. I don't have a clue. That's outside of my knowledge base, unfortunately. So where are we? I need to get rid of this. No, idiot. I managed to mess that up massively. So we have hold. Okay. So create a new one for Discord.py. I'm doing the Discord.py requests for the pillow series now. So pip install pillow and then Discord.py. I'll throw a very quick bot together in bot.py. So import Discord and then import from Discord import from Discord ext import commands. Then do bot equals commands.bot command prefix equals the exclamation mark, because why the hell not? No, I can't use that one. We'll do minus, because that worked. The venv, that's just to keep everything organized. It's a virtual environment, and it is recommended that you pretty much do every project you do in a separate virtual environment, just so there's no library conflicts. But I always do it now. Focus commands to bot.run. That would just do it, wouldn't it? That would be enough. I think that would be enough to run a bot. Oh, I need to load the cogs, don't I? Let me go quickly grab some code from the modmail one. I need to load up the extensions. I'll just call it cogs to make things easier. And then we'll do that, and then we'll do, I guess we'll do bot. That's not what I wanted at all. I'll throw that in there. No, we won't. No, we'll just do cogs. And we'll have this in here, and then we'll just have images there, and then the whole thing can stay for now. So then we need to do from path lib import path, sort the imports. Okay, well that's getting confused now. Sort the imports. Argument file cannot be empty. What do you mean the argument file cannot be empty? I'm telling you to sort these imports. God's sake. No, God's sake. Right, okay. Cool. For cog in cogs. Bot.load extension cog. That'd be a cogs.cog. And that should load. Oh yeah, I'm missing a token, aren't I? That's the point. Give me 1 second. My apps, and then I'll just have a secrets in here, and then we'll have the music series. Give me 1 second. Cool, right. Boop. Make a .env. Can't be asked. That's too much effort. With, I mean, I'm just making like a really crappy one. With open, let's see, token as read, encoding equals UTF-8 as F, token equals f.read, and then token, and then a reconnect equals true. And that should theoretically be enough. No. Built-in functions no attribute strip. Oh, right. Is that loaded? That has loaded. Awesome. Yeah, that's enough. Cool beans. It can be either. It doesn't matter. I did token.0 in the series because the git ignore for some reason wouldn't register token as a file. I don't know why. It just wouldn't work at all. So I changed it to token.0. But since I'm not using a git repository or anything, then it doesn't matter what you call it. Yeah, that runs. I'm probably alright with pictures. We'll see if your one's better though. Ooh. Did I go in there? It didn't. That's very annoying. I wanted that to go in there. I also want these two in here. That's a nice picture. Let me have it. Oh, damn it. Save image as, or I'll save it manually. That might be a good one for the background, even though it's quite big. We'll see. I'll just nab it for now. Images. Oh, that's a JPG. There you go. Just look at this one. Whoa, hello. That was weird. Yeah. So that's that done. Now we can just make a new cog real quick called welcome.py and import discords from discord.ext imports commands and then class welcome commands.cog def init self bot self.bot equals bot and we'll do a self.onReady real quick just to make sure it's actually like listening or to make sure it actually functions. OnReady self and then prints hello. Oh, hello. Listeners a coroutine. Oh, it must be a coroutine. Oh, yeah. Oh, it doesn't have a setup. And now it's getting confused. So it wants the bot and then bot.add cog. Welcome bot. Hey, there we go. See you later, heroes. Thanks for stopping by. So that's fine. We don't need that. We just need at commands.cog.listener async def on welcome. This is the one we need, and we need a member. So, and this is where we do all our crazy stuff. I don't know if there's an asynchronous implementation of Pillow. Is there an asynchronous implementation of Pillow actually? Well, you can just do asyncio.run, can't you? And that will make it asynchronous. Presumably. Welcome Vusal to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. It's dual booted. I dual booted it in February, I think. Well, I think I dual booted it earlier than that, but I had to reinstall everything in February. So I use Windows for stuff. I use Linux for different stuff. Typically with recording, because recording is all development, I use Linux because I do all my development on Linux because it's better than the Windows. But I do most everything else on Windows, I'm not gonna lie. Apart from typesetting, I do that on Linux for obvious reasons. So yeah, I think you could do async def welcome member self member. I think if we import asyncio or asyncio, however the hell it's supposed to be pronounced, I think you could do asyncio.run self.welcome member and it will do that async. I think. Yeah, it's been an interesting experience. I prefer developing in Linux, and there are some things I prefer about Linux. There are some things I definitely prefer about Windows. And interestingly enough, my one of my main takes from the whole Linux experience is it's actually made me appreciate how stable Windows is. I know it's weird to say, but genuinely, I've crashed Linux more in like 2 weeks than I have Windows 10 in my entire life. So, yeah, it might just be that it's a Ubuntu base. But you know. So now this is async. We can do at least some async stuff with it. So with image.open, oh, we actually need to import all the pill stuff, don't we? Yeah. So from pill, import image, draw image, filter image, font, and then maybe image ops. I don't know. Are you heading off, Erin, or are you saying goodbye to heroes? Yeah, screen tearing. That's one thing I've noticed. The screen tearing is awful. I don't know if that's Linux as a whole or what. But in terms of like watching videos, listening to music, doing anything entertainment, Windows is massively superior. But you know. Alright, see you later, Emily. I'll talk to you in about, what, 2 hours, roughly? Alright, see you later, Sada. Yeah, we'll see if we need that as well. So, /images / welcome card .png as im, and im equals im im.convert. Actually, no, I should probably do stuff with the profile first, but we'll get it. We're coding. This is like a welcome card. So we actually probably want to do stuff with the image.open images. Oh no, it's not going to be that. It's going to be image.open member. Oh goodness. Okay, this is where things get weird. That's not the link I wanted. How did this guy do it? Oh, content. Oh, they use requests? There's got to be a better way of doing that. Docs. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's fair. The search documentation for avatar URL. Member.avatar URL. Equivalent user.avatar URL. Okay, cool, fine. So there is this format, URL as. I don't know if that's going to be worth doing. It's an asset. What's in this asset? Retrieve the content of this asset as a byte object. Okay. No. With a general deployment. Yeah, I mean, I don't know how well this is scale, but you know. So okay, so I think I can get away with member.avatar URL.read. I think I can get away with that. Yeah, I don't really want to use requests. I think there's a better way of doing it. What we can do, we can quickly do as im.save /test.png. And then just get rid of this, I suppose. And then what we can do is we can load that. Oh no, we can't. Bot is not defined. Oh yeah, I'm dumb. That makes a lot of sense. Where's Discord? Oh, it's here. So we have our thing here. Do we have? That's the test account. How am I going to do this? I don't know if I actually have test account like loaded right now. Why am I doing that? I can just do it on this one. No, I want to log in. Open Discord in your browser, yes. And that is no, because I'm on the it's on the Canary one, isn't it? I think. Never mind. So it'd be that one. Apparently not. Okay. Give me 1 second. Whoops. Canary.discord.com, yes. And apparently that's now wrong, is it? Yes, why is that wrong? Why is that wrong? Is it still that password? Oh no, it's a new login detected. Why is it? How is it a new login detected? Oh my god. Is this what happens when you have your test account on a really old account, on a really old Google account? And no one damn well uses anymore. I really need to switch this to something else. Is it that? Okay, that's my old password. Confirm via recovery email. I've got to. Oh my god! And I've got to go to my other email to verify this email to then get into the damn. Oh my god! Not now. Okay, never mind. I don't have to verify it. I'm just straight in. Okay. Verify login. Discord login for new location. Verify my login. Allow. IP address order authorized. Login. There we go. I'm in. Jesus. Leave the page. Okay. No! It's log me as wrong bloody one! Log me in as this one! Ah! I'm upset. Okay, there we go. We're in. Holy mother of God. Welcome Malveer to the stream. I've played Pokemon before. I haven't played it in about 15 years, so... what's the question before? And you've replied, but I want to remind you, can you teach us how to make a Discord bot or DM user and send them questions to the person? I'll not take a request for the series anymore, but yeah. Sorry about that. Alright. 133 pings, my goodness. Okay, so. Markers reds, markers reds, markers reds, folders reds. And then we've got to leave the server. Leave the server. And then one of these is the invite. There it is. Carberra tutorials. And join. And we should we should have a test.py somewhere. We don't. No, seriously, do we not have one? Why don't we have one? The bot's running. Did I do that wrong? Is it on welcome? It's not, is it? It's not on, it's on member join. What am I doing? Okay, I'm just dumb. We can ignore that. Leave the server, yes. Yes, I don't care, Discord, go away. Alright. Now rejoin. Accept the rules and get started. Okay. Okay. Why didn't that work? I'm presuming something just went weird. I'm just going to make sure this is actually being called. And I'm going to have to do some cleanup on this. I might just like stop accepting the rules for the test account. Yeah, the music series bot can see this. I believe it has intents. It might not. Do that, I'll get kicked. Let me double check. What am I doing? Let me double check it has intents. Where's Firefox gone? There it is. It was there all along. So I need Discord to apply my apps. Music series bot. Yeah, it has the intent. Is that definitely what the function is called? I want to go to the top. On member. Yeah, on member join. It's not even printing the member. Okay. That's really strange, actually. I don't know why that's happening. Am I just being dumb? It's been a while since I worked with this, so... Welcome, Kishore, to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Am I actually being dumb? On member join. Member. Why is that like... Why is that not working? That should be working. Is it necessary for me to even do this in a cog, really? Guess it's not. Alright, we'll try it outside of a cog, see if that makes any difference. So you have, what is it? Spot.event, isn't it? Async def, on member join, self, member, and a print member. I'll just do that and see if that sounds any better. Where is anything? It's all here. So then join the server again. And join. So the rules and get started. It still doesn't do it. Is this thing like locked up or something? I'm actually going to define this. Welcome back. Welcome back to me I don't know what's going on here, but something is weird. Oh yeah, it doesn't need self in this bit, does it? Oh, that's probably why it broke actually. Ready, okay. So now we decline the rules, go back and rejoin. And it still doesn't register me. What? Welcome Gladdy official. How are you doing? I'm doing alright. How are you? What am I trying to do right now? I'm trying to get a very simple bot to work so I could do some pillow stuff with it. Sam Code stuff, welcome to the stream. It has the intents already, I checked. Because, yeah, but it has them. I'll double check again just to make sure I'm not being really dumb. But like, services, Discord.py. It has permission to see the channel. Like it doesn't. Like you can see here, the bot is here. It's called the music series bot because it's the same one I use for the music series, but it's right here. Yes, it's one of the case studies for the series. So we want this one. And we want the bot. As you can see, intents are both enabled. Yeah, I do. That'll be it. I completely forgot. So what would it be? Would it be bot? How do you even set that when it's not in a cog? Yeah. Yeah. This isn't my... I'm presuming it's this, right? I'm used to subclassing. I literally haven't built a bot like this in about 2 years, so you might need to remind me how it works. I think that's correct. Can't set attribute. Okay, maybe not. God damn it. I'm gonna have to go into the bot and how's this feedback? Oh, you pass it in here. I see. Oh, so this one is the same. That's fair. Intents equals Discord.intents to all. Okay, so now that should work. One would hope. Okay, there we go. Okay, need to decline the rules again. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, that's just me being an idiot. So we don't need this. I'm gonna just throw that. Oh no, I'm gonna throw that like that. There we go. Actually, I don't need this cogs one anymore because I don't have any cogs. I'm not gonna bother using them. I'm simply going to just do that. Type in the music bot. No name music bot in module.bot. You probably typed it wrong. You might have to join the Discord and ask in the support channels because that sounds like we're going to need to see your code. And that's not going to work here. Alright, so we'll just try that briefly. Anyone that looks in the audit logs is going to be like, what the hell happened? Image is not defined. Oh, I didn't import the image. I'm dumb. From pill. Actually, is this still empty? Yeah, the argument file cannot be empty. Thanks for the follow, Gladdy Official. Do appreciate it. Import image, image draw, image filter, and an image font. Okay, I just want to save the image. Is that too much to ask? If I can do this, then we can just load it in through the bytes, and that'll be fine. Trace mark to get what did I async? That's not correct. Coroutine has no attribute read. Oh, for God's sake. We'll get there eventually. We will, I promise. Yeah. No. Asset can't be used in an await expression. Are you serious? Okay, what the hell am I doing with this? How does this work? Like, hello? Asset. Discord.asset. Await read. Oh, that'll probably be it. No, but it's wait, what? Why was it complaining? No, but avatar URL. Oh, is it this? It might be this. Oh my god, I hope it's not. That means that's probably a function as well. Avatar URL. Avatar URL. So, oh, it is a method. No, it's not. Returns an asset. Well, is it a method or is it an attribute? It's clearly an attribute. Yeah, returns an asset. Okay, yes, yeah. This isn't. Then it says if I do that, it says that the coroutine it doesn't have a read. Your coroutine object does no attribute read. What? It returns an asset. Okay. Yeah, await read. This function is a coroutine. Treats the bytes of this asset as a bytes object. So this should just be the bytes. The content of the asset in bytes. Welcome Coffee Kick W to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Yeah, the bot's still here. Oh, thanks Gladdy Official for the follow. Did I already thank you for that? Was that you or was that someone else? That was you. Whoops. Okay. Oh god. Right. Is it this? Image bytes? Let's try that. Let's try that. See if it has to be separated for some reason. Send. Embedded null byte. Oh, God's sake. So this works, but you can't open it using it. Yeah, I dual boot. I typically record and stream on Linux because I develop in Linux, and all my recording and streaming is in Linux. So pretty much everything else I do is in Windows. There you are. Embedded null byte. Oh, for God's sake. So this is... Okay, I'm gonna have to look at the pillow thing because I think it's passing it in a invalid object here. The image module. If it's to open, R5 none. A file name, path object or file object. Oh, it can't straight up take a bytes? It can take a bytes IO. I guess it's gonna have to take a bytes IO then. IO.bytes IO. Presumably this. I would guess. Import IO. Oh my god, that actually worked. There we go, look at that. That's correct. Cool, right. We're getting somewhere. We've made progress. How long are you going to stream today? For another 45 minutes or so. It's just like a little stream. I didn't have a plan, but it's like a little stream just so affiliate. I wonder if Twitch actually says I have it yet, or whether it's going to wait until the end of the stream to tell me that I need to apply for it, but you know what I mean. Let's just mute that before that goes wrong. Let's go create a dashboard. It'll be insights. No, it'll be community. Then it'll be, no, it wouldn't. It'd be content. No, oh, no, it'll be insights. There we go. I was right the first time. Oh, it's gonna wait until the stream's done, I think. Big sad. Like, apparently my stream summary is ready. Why is it ready? I haven't finished it yet. Yeah, I'll probably go late as well. I'm gonna have a shower before I jump in because, my God, do I need one? Oh yeah, it says I'm live. That's strange. Okay, so we got somewhere. Holy mother of God! Right, okay. So if we import that as profile. Actually, what I'm probably going to have to do is, we had to do, rather than that, I'm going to have to do like profile equals image to open, IO bytes, IO await member dot avatar URL dot read, and then profile dot close, and then do the stuff in the middle here with the background image. Okay, thanks Linux, do appreciate that. With image.open, oops, dot slash images slash welcome card dot png as background dot it would be convert RGBA, and then background dot, right, now I'm gonna have to reference the, why did I close the damn code? Why did I do that? I needed my series open because I don't remember how to do anything off by heart. Are you kidding me? You think I actually remember? I also did that wrong, god damn it. Do you think I actually remember how I do my own stuff? Which one would it be? Be the filters. So background equals, oh, do I have to do, I might have to do background equals background.convert, I don't remember. So that would be color filters, I did that for. Yes, I do. Okay. because nothing's done in place in this damn library. The background equals background.filter image filter dot Gaussian blur, and then we'll have that as like 20. And then putting one image on top of another. I don't think it's actually something I did in the series. That probably would have been good to do. Might do a bit of an extension for it. Putting one image on top. Oh, that. Oh, it's alpha composite, isn't it? So it'd be background or alpha composite. Profile. Unrated channel. Thank you. Welcome Aman Rashid to the stream, by the way. And then await bot.get channel. And then we need our standard out channel. We need this one. That dot send image file equals background. Would that be fine with that? I don't know. That's not going to be. That's not going to look great right now. You know, we could always see what it looks like and see what we need to do. So join. Images do not match. Okay, cool, right. Image tutorial or command for setting a welcome channel. You can look at the Solaris code. If I bring this up real quick. Development services, GitHub. If you go into Solaris and you go into Solaris, then you go into bots, cogs, I think modules. There's a command down here somewhere for it. There's the setup, there's the config. Yeah, so this, in Solaris, this config command here is how kind of everything is set. So you can use something like that if you want. I'm not taking any requests for the Discord.py series anymore. So I show the libraries for what? For the pillow stuff, it's just pillow and Discord.py. Welcome Patties, by the way. So that's roughly how you would do that. That's probably a bit, that's quite an advanced example because that literally sets anything. But yeah. Let's see. Oh god, right. Is it paste? It might be paste. Whoopsies, that's not good. File parameter must be a file. That's fair enough, I suppose. Okay. Right, back to docs we go. Just got to apply docs. Messageable.send. Oh, it has to be a file object. Like, literally has to be a file object. Okay, so we could pass a bytes IO. So file equals... No worries, Madu. Would it just be that? Okay, that works. Backgrounds. Unexpected string bytes or OS path-like object, not image. Well, apparently not. Somewhat unfortunate. Saved. Yeah, I don't want to do that. I guess. All right. We're gonna have to do. If I just get rid of that for a second, get rid of that, get rid of that, and then we'll leave that open. I need like the image class, image module. Alpha composite blend, composite val merge, new from array from bytes from buffer. I'll do from bytes. But that wants more stuff. I think it's gonna be easier. Not right now. Maybe some stream though. I might do that, but I don't have that kind of time right now. There's not a lot in the stream left. I could do other stuff. I've been considering. I want to do some videos of like trying to program stuff on older OSs. So I want to do one with Windows XP specifically. See how much of my programming workflow I can do. So if I do I have a... That's the question. Does this USB stick have Arch on it? I don't remember. So as we can find out. Oh my god. Literally all 4 of my USB hubs are taken. Give me 1 second. If we just eject that one, we don't need to travel anymore. Is this an Arch boot stick? God damn it. Come on. In you go. Come on. No, it's an Ubuntu boot stick. Wait, isn't that the purple one? Oh no, that's Endeavour. God, I don't remember what I have on half of these things. So the orange one's Pop. The purple one is this the blue one? I don't know. Unfortunately, the colours are always quite similar to each other. Yeah. So the red one's Ubuntu. The orange one is Pop. This is either the blue one or the purple one. I don't know where the others are. This is the green one. That's got G Parted Live on it. And then this is the purple one. This one's got Endeavour on it. Installing Endeavour in a VM actually worked. And unfortunately, I installed it using the i3 window manager, and I had absolutely no idea how to do anything on it. And then I gave up and worked on my disk for a bit. Basically, is what happened. So I spent a solid 2 minutes in Endeavour before giving up and actually doing work. I suppose that's one way to get me to do work. Just put me in a Linux situation I don't understand. I just give up immediately and go, yes, I'll do my dissertation. How the hell... Oh, I can convert. Is that what we want to do? Modes, I don't think so. Copy. No, that's an image object. Image crop. Draft. Entropy. Filter. From bytes. There's that from bytes again. For a bytes object. Oh, that might actually be better than what I'm doing. Might be able to do this. Get bands, get bbox, I'll get bounding box, get channel, get colors, get data. Returns the context of the image of the sequence object containing pixel values. I don't think that's quite right. Histogram, paste, point, put alpha, put data, palette, put pixel, quantize, reduce, remap palette, resize, rotate, save, seek, show, split, tell, thumbnail, to bitmap, to bytes. There we go. God. Super enter will usually open a terminal. Then you can open the conf files and take a look at keybinds and edit and record. Okay. Super enter. That's weird. To be fair, well, to be completely honest, every single Linux distro I've used has a different key mapping for it. So super enter does not do that on this. Super enter on pop. It does nothing. Well, it did just now minimize. It did now just now restore the window down and turn it orange. That's the thing. But on pop, it's Windows. It's a Super T. On Ubuntu, it's Control Alt T. So they're both Ubuntu based, but the key maps are different. So that's not confusing at all. I think Super T makes a bit more sense. So background dot 2 bytes. It's also deactivated half my keyboard. What the hell have I done? Oh no. I shouldn't have just mashed keys. View all. Enter adjustment mode. Yeah, how do I leave adjustment mode? Because I can't type anything. Oh, there we go. The keyboard's back. That was weird. It generally deactivated about 3/4 of my keyboard then. Welcome Cubicle Me to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Okay, so this... Right. So this image is going to look like crap. But I just want to, like, get to a point where... You know, it can read the profile image and then send it. You're Abdul the Best... in your Discord. Unfortunately, I don't actually recognize that name. You knew. It's missing size and data. Who's missing size and data? Hello? How can you possibly be missing size and data? You're just converting an image to bytes, aren't you? To bytes. Encode. No, it's. Okay, so it says it's missing. From bytes. Oh, from bytes needs some stuff. Oh, never mind then. You're not new. Huh. Sorry I don't recognise you then, dude. That's open and then io.bytes io 1.5 months ago. Damn. Okay, so let's try that. Now we know that from bytes don't work. I'm using Monokai. Embedded null byte again. Okay, something is just off. I'm gonna do IO. It might be wanting an IO bytes IO file or an object. Is it best for Python? No, it's just the one I like. You can use whatever color scheme you want. There are a few ones out there. There's Dracula, which is quite popular. I don't particularly like personally. There's Monokai, which is the one that I use, which is the default in Sublime. There's Monokai Pro, which is basically Monokai but worse, and you have to pay for it. Genuinely. And then, God knows. I don't actually know the name of any other colour scheme by default. I'm off by heart. Oh my god, it didn't error. Did it actually work? Did it actually do it? Kind of. Oh. Alright. We're getting there. We're getting there. So it sent it as a file. How do we just make it load an image? Wait, do we need like an extension on it? Actually, there's probably something in the docs to give it a name. File name equals none. Okay, I'm going to presume I have to... dot paste. I'm already doing dot paste here. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this and a new line. Yeah, restream. I'm probably not going to be around much longer because when I do affiliate, I'm not going to be streaming on YouTube anymore. But I don't know how long the application takes. This may be the last YouTube stream. It may not be. But I do plan to switch over to just Twitch at some point. We'll have to see. There'll be an announcement before I actually do that. Welcome, Scientific and Philosophical Hub, to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. How can I do a music bot with Python in Heroku? Well, a music bot with Python, I have a series for. Heroku, don't use it. If you want to know why, join the Discord server and use tag Heroku in one of the bot usage channels. It will give you a very extensive list of reasons why you shouldn't use Heroku for Discord bots. You can use it for websites, that's what it's designed for, but... Okay, so file name equals welcome.png, I suppose, whatever. That will do. REPL better. As far as I can tell, no. As far as I think REPL is marginally better, but we still don't fully support it. Will ever be saved? Yes. There'll be a VOD for it that automatically goes up once it's finished processing. God damn it! I got an unexpected argument. Because it's a file argument, not a send argument. Okay. Wait, hang on. So that goes like that, right? Is that now the correct? I think that's now the correct thing. So discord.file, move that over here, and then put that there. Whoops, put that there, and then whoops, put that there. Put that there. Bam, 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 bam. Cool. No, that's not. I don't want to save the image and then send it. That's not an efficient way of doing it. AWS would be fine. I personally use Volta, but I think AWS is actually slightly cheaper for the sort of tier you'd want. So it didn't error. It didn't error. Oh, for God's sake. I'm really upset. What does the image even look like? Cannot be displayed because it contains errors. It's corrupted? Okay. Okay, we're back to the drawing board, I suppose. RB should be used. Pass binary data. Consider usage of io.bytes.io. Huh, this is really strange. And that's what I've done. You can do it just in one. I mean, the music bot that I made on the series was mainly in a cog. So if you want, if your bot already supports cogs, then you can watch that series, skip to episode. Well, you can't really skip any episodes, but you can just do the music cog, and just shove that into whatever you've got, and it'll work. You don't need to do JS for the music stuff. You also don't need to do two bots. That's unless they're both for like different servers or something. Unless one of them is like a specific server, another one is another specific server. Music bots are kind of fine, honestly. Like, if you want a difficult bot, look at Solaris. That was a difficult bot to make. Music bot is like, okay. It's just a lot of it. I think that cog is like 460 lines that I did in the series. Once you kind of know what you're doing, it's not too bad. Funny because, okay, so yeah, well, it really depends on what language you know. I know Python a lot more than I know JS, so making a music bot in Python would be easier. So it's just kind of what you're interested in. But I wouldn't bother mixing up the languages, is the point. I'd say either make a bot in, I'd say make both in JS or both in Python. If you want my personal opinion, Python, but well, as long as you included the license in whichever bot it was, then it'd be fine. If there was a license. If you just copied and pasted it and didn't copy the license as well, then whoops, that's not okay. Didn't have Java link. You download that separately. If you watch the whole video, then it will tell you exactly what you need to do. Do different commands in JS. Yeah, I plan to learn Rust at some point, and Discord bot would be the thing I do that in. Eventually, yeah, the plan is to eventually rewrite Solaris in Rust. But I don't know when it's going to happen. Probably summer at some point. I don't have the time to really do it. Why doesn't it just embed the thing? Rust hard. It's very different. It depends what languages you know in the past. If you've had experience with like C-based languages, then it would be okay-ish. It's sort of like this weird love child between C and Python. It's very strange. The syntax is really weird. Like, I don't really know what they were thinking half the time. I mean, I can sort of see some of it makes sense. Some of it makes a lot of sense. But other parts of it just don't at all. But the whole concept of ownership is really clever. Albeit kind of weird to get around. You only know Python, then it'll be pretty bloody hard then. Rust is not an easy one if you only know Python. Which is kind of the situation I'm in, really. I know the basics of a lot of languages, but I don't really know the meat of any of them besides Python, really. Welcome back, Crazy. Reconnect equals true is kind of like a fail-safe thing, I think. I think it's like if it disconnects, it tries to reconnect. Oh, is it just... what is this going into? Okay. Is it just this? Does it not need the file name? I think that's the same code, but okay. I'm pretty sure this is just going to do exactly the same thing. That's fair. Server with 1,300 members. A partner. I don't do server partnerships, unfortunately. You don't need to, but I don't think it's going to do any different if you don't. Welcome back, Emily, and presumably Tori. Or is that a different American? Welcome to the stream, nonetheless. I mean, I'll give it a try, Jonathan, but it's like the same code, I'm pretty sure. If this just works, I'm going to be kind of upset. No, it didn't. Same thing. It's just... I don't think it's registering as a... Oh, it's Sheldon. Okay. I just guessed the name because it was quite similar to Tori. Welcome, Sheldon, to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. How do other bots do this? Because they definitely don't save the image to the hard drive and re-upload it, because that's just dumb. This file doesn't really have an awful lot. And I feel as I'm doing everything in my power to do it. So I'm guessing it's something wrong with the IO bytes. So yeah, consider uses IO bytes IO. Okay. I'm looking it up. Send image. Okay, well that's just that. Discord.py send bytes as image. Send image from memory. You can directly pass the instance of iBytes so FP to initialize the Discord file. So I think it's .seek0 then. Apparently, that's the change I need to make. I did just absolutely destroy my keyboard just then. I didn't do anything. I didn't change anything. I'm gonna just check that one more time just to make absolutely sure. Got 9 minutes left in the stream. Oh no, it's not just it's just not sending anything now. Oh great, fantastic. Nope, never mind. I think the bot actually crashed. I think it locked up. Oh, that's unfortunate. 2K subs, only 6 watching. Most people tend to watch the stream on Twitch. This is, I think this, yeah, this is the most people I've had on YouTube for, well, I think since like the first or second stream. Because normally, like 99% of people are on Twitch. They're definitely not for beginners. Tutorial for absolute beginners. Well, when Discord.py, well, you can look at the first one, the old series. That's a little more basic. The code isn't great. I was still into some really bad habits at the point I did that. But when Discord.py 2 comes out, I plan to get on board early. and do some with that. I do plan to do like a little more, basic, but at the same time, Discord.py is not a beginner subject. There's only so much you can simplify it down without just trashing it, really, without just doing something that's awful, that's inefficient, looks like garbage, and all that. So there's only so much you can simplify it down. But yeah, I do want to do a Discord.py 2.x series when it comes out. So we'll see. Well, it was made as a passion project. It just happened to... Its accessibility just made it accessible for people. It's the whole reason it's used in data science. That and notebooks. You save so much time in the actual development that the time lost in interpretation is outweighed by the time you gain in development. Genuinely. It's the same for ML as well, but to a lesser extent. Yeah, well, I have the How to Python series if people really need it. I'm going to do intermediate stuff as well. But my point is that Discord.py is not a beginner library at all. It is firmly in the intermediate, and there's only so much you can squash it down without destroying it. Like, either way, it needs decorators. It needs to be asynchronous. Like, these two are both like firmly in the intermediate. So there's nothing I can do about that. If you want to build it like this, then yeah, good luck. This looks awful. So you want to subclass it. That's object-oriented programming. There you go. If you want to use cogs, that's also object-oriented programming. So that's very firmly in the intermediate as well. The library itself is dog. So it takes a bit of programmatical understanding just to be able to get your head around where it's crap. Like this, for example. This image system is just terrible. So there's not really a huge amount you can do. Welcome Hulk Ben to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Yeah, part of the reason I'm switching to Twitch is because most people watch there anyway. If I can have like affiliate there, that would be cool. If all libraries are made into one, then you would download a library and it would be huge. I mean, TensorFlow in itself is 300 megs. It's 300 megabytes. That's half a CD. But yeah, I think Pillow is better. This is Pillow. It just imports Pill. For backwards compatibility purposes, I believe. I genuinely think this is completely stalled at this point. I'm just here chatting away. And this is stalled literally to the point where it's not even letting me end it. I think I'm going to have to shut the terminal down just to kill it. Yeah, the bots. Yeah, so that locked the bot up completely. So this answer is just incorrect. I think, maybe, don't know. There's io.bytes.io. r.seek. So yeah, this has the seek. What if I did outside? What if I did file equals this? It kind of worked before. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm only going to be on for a few more minutes, so I'll see you later, Cubicle. Thanks for stopping by. Does this do anything different? Oops. No, it doesn't. It just locks up again, I think. Yeah, this .seek just completely locks it up. It's now suspended. Great. PS orcs grep python bot.py. Okay. Bot.py. There we go. Kill -9 187159. Not on my end. Did I drop any frames? Oh, I have dropped a few. Maybe it did. I've dropped about 500 frames. So maybe that was it. I don't know. Yeah, God. Yeah, I don't know. I'm going to have to look into this. Because that's really all I've got time for. I've got to have a shower and I've got something half hour. So, yeah. Thanks for stopping by. Sorry this wasn't, like, amazing. I don't really have a plan going into this. But, yeah. Hopefully, I'll have affiliate for next time. I'll make an announcement when that actually goes through, because I have to apply, so I don't know how long it takes to get an answer back. But if it's anything like YouTube, then it'll be very fast, because YouTube got back to me basically immediately. Like, I'd heard stories of people that are waiting like 6 months. You know, I waited 3 days. It was wrong. I then fixed the issue, reapplied, and they did it the next day. So hopefully Twitch is that quick as well. I guess we'll see. But yeah, thanks everyone for stopping by. This could be the last one on YouTube, but we'll see. And I'll see you on Tuesday for, well, hopefully be the last data analysis stream before I start recording it. And you, Crazy. So see you later. Bye.